Meaning of harrumph.
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 harrumph,
Harrumph. Harrumph is an onomatopoeic word used to describe a deep, guttural sound made when clearing one's throat or expressing disdain, displeasure, or skepticism. It can be used as a verb or a noun, and often conveys a sense of disapproval or irritation in response to something disrespectful or arrogant. The word has been in use for over 2 centuries, and is typically associated with older or more traditional speakers of the English language. Overall, harrumph is a versatile term that captures a range of emotions and attitudes, from frustration to scorn.